E2DNY, Real World HVAC Simplified. And in this video, I'm going to show you the difference between Merv 13 filters and the regular Merv, right? Because physically to the naked eyes, they look the same. So this is a Merv 13 filter. Take note of the filter media, right? It's thicker media, all right? And then here is the regular filter. I don't know what Merv this is. I think it's Merv 4 or Merv 8. But if you just look at it, it looks identical, but the media is different. You see that? Okay. So here is the Merv 13 media. And this video is in relation to, I'm doing this job real time. I'm changing out the regular Mervs to the Merv 13. This is a commercial space. And in New York City, I know there's a requirement by the CDC, well, not the CDC, I guess the Department of Health, and the CDC is involved because it's on the website, it's on the nyc.gov. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to the page of this website, so you guys could go in and take a read at it and see, get information for yourself. But yeah, on there it says CDC / Ashrae, and it mentioned Department of Health, and they're specifically talking about malls and restaurants, right? So if you got dining restaurants, I don't know if there's other buildings or space that are required to upgrade to Merv 13, or the minimum. They're saying the minimum, so they want you to put the highest possible filter that could fit in your filter rack, right? The highest possible filtration that your unit or equipment or HVAC equipment can handle. But at the minimum, it has to be Merv 13, right? So if you're in this category, you're in the market and you're shopping for filters, you don't want to get ripped off by a contractor, by grimy contractors, telling you that you got Merv 13s, but what you have is a regular filter. So look, so it's going to say Merv 13 on either the filter box. Like, this is a notch. This is a known filter manufacturer. They're like, I guess, designer filters. They're high-end. All right, and it does say 13 here, as you could see, GR13. And on the filter itself, it does say Merv 13. And again, take note of the media. It's way more thicker than the regular Merv, even though from far away you might say the same thing, right? Just looking at it with naked eyes, if you're not a pro. So yeah, if you do it yourself, or if you can get hands on these filters, you can put them in. Just make sure that you get the exact size for your equipment, and there's no spaces leaving beside the filter and the panel. Get the exact size and install the filters with the arrow pointing towards the unit or towards the evaporator coil or the cooling coil. And yeah, so you can do that. Also, I'd recommend, before you if you're going to do this, that you do a coil cleaning. Take the heated just fire by these units. You do a coil cleaning. Just use the simple Evap Fresh spray bottle. No rinse is pretty good. It kills bacteria. It's gonna like sanitize your coil, evaporator coil. Sorry, this one right here, I recommend that. All right, so you see it says it kills 99% of the germs or bacteria, eliminates odor, disinfector, evaporator coil cleaner, and disinfectant. All right, here's the ingredients. You can probably get this online, I'm not sure. I got it from my supply house. And so this one I use my brush right here, the sprayer, and that's it. All right, so here's a filter. See the arrow. Arrow points towards the coil. All right, arrow points towards the coil, and you want to put the filter all the time, always in the grooves. So there's going to be grooves like right here, one in the top, one in the bottom. You put the filters in the track, right, or the filter rack. So you go right there, make sure the top is in, and make sure the bottom is in. right? And then you slide it all the way in. Nice flush fit, right? Smooth and easy. If you all purchase the right sizes, and there's the size of the filter. If you're going to do it yourself, make sure you get the exact size that's in your unit. And again, Merv 13 should say, this camera is acting up. Merv 13 should say Merv 13. It doesn't matter the sizes. Either it's going to say it on the filter, it's going to say it on the box. All right, so let's put this back in. Boom, boom, boom. Right there. All right, and you see how it's fit, the fitment. It's flushed. Okay, so that's how you do it. I figure real time, real world. I've been doing this upgrade for the customer. You can see the filter that I took out, I removed. Those filters, they're still clean, but the client wanted to do the upgrade. This is a commercial building. It's a place of worship. So I suppose it's a requirement here as well. I didn't see that on the website, on the nyc.gov website, but I don't know. You know, maybe they told him to do the upgrade because he called me up, said, hey, I need to get that done. And so here I am doing it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you hadn't subscribed, subscribe. I do upload videos on a weekly basis.